In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to iCSee app. Although I am showing you for the model called Neither, this is a brand called Neither, but it doesn't matter what model of camera you are using or what brand of camera you are using. If the camera uses iCSee app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First part of our video, we will learn how to install the app and create an account. So we need to install the app iCSee, and I'm showing you to install the app in both Apple iPhone and the Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and Android phone, go to Play Store and write iCSee. So this one. Now click here. It's installing. Similarly here, iCSee, then search. This one install. So it's done already. So open, allow, join now, agree, allow, and it's also installing here. It almost done. So open, agree. If you already have an account, then just sign in, but if you are a new user, then register. So click register. Now the process is same for both iPhone and Android phone. So now I'm showing only in iPhone, but the process is same for the Android phone. So we need to enter our email address and password. So I'm entering my email address and password. So I enter my password, then click next. Now we need to verify our email. So they sent an email verification code to the email address, and we need to check our email. So if I check my email, then if I check my email, please confirm your account. So verify now. So account activation successfully. You can now return to login to the app. So account creation is done. In step 2, we will learn how to add the camera to this app and how to control the camera. So this is the power adapter. So the one part will go here. It got the power, and other part will go here. Since it's got the power,
system starting up.
Says system starting up.
Wait to be configured.
And in our app, we need to log in. Okay. Then add the device. So plus sign, and we want to add the Wi-Fi camera. Allow while using app, and it's searching. Now next.
Please input wireless router password.
So
Click OK.
we need to enter the Wi-Fi name and its password. So I'm entering my Wi-Fi password, then OK. Now next.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
Now we need to hold this one in front of the camera. So please hold this way in front of this camera lens.
QR code scanning succeeded.
It says scanning succeeded. Now it will automatically connect it.
Connector router successfully.
Yeah, it says connector router successfully. Yep, and we need to set a password for the camera. So you can set a password. So I set the password, then next, then device name. Yeah, I can give test1, then completed, confirm. Yep, now it's starting. So next question is how we can control the camera. So click here. Yep, camera. Now if you want to rotate the camera, then you can, yeah, it's rotating, or this way, yeah, or that way. If you wanna take a picture, then click this one, it will take picture. If you wanna make video, then press this one, it will take a video. And if you wanna change the video quality, then press this one. Okay, and if you wanna talk to someone who is in front of the camera, then press and hold this one. So press to talk. So that's it. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. So the question is how we can reset the camera. In camera you can see the micro SD slot. So open this one. So here there's a slot for micro SD card. So you can insert the micro SD card here, and camera will save the video or information in the micro SD card, and you can see those video later. And to reset it, there's a reset button here. There's a reset button here. So press and hold that one. Press and hold.
Restore factory settings. Please don't power off.
Yeah, it says restart factory setting. Please don't power off. So it is now resetting.
System starting up. Wait to be configured.
Yeah, it resetted. Now you can try again, and very highly likely it will be connected now. So thanks for watching.